Good afternoon. My name is Johan and I come from ÅF and I will here today jointly present our proposals together with Magnus Nilsson and also to see what we can contribute with to ESS. ÅF are Sweden's most complete technology company with competence ranging from nuclear power plants, complete energy engineering services, railroad, roads, building, construction, engineering, IT solution, and so on. What we have elected to talk about today, namely how to create a sustainable architecture and urbanism, is only a part of our whole competences areas. So please, Magnus.
I'm Magnus Nilsson and I am an architect with Tengbom Architects. We believe that Tengbom and the and ÅF and Tengbom team can look at provide the expertise in sustainable urban infrastructure planning and look at the project from a holistic point of view, and maybe not only on a technical level but also when you think about the quality of life in and around the facility, because we think that it will be a huge competitive factor for the facility. We would like to show some reference projects that we have collaborated together on. Project one is a new Nordea head office in Stockholm. It's a LEED certified project. World Trade Center in Växjö is a new project in Center Business District Växjö. It's also a project where we take the system boundary well beyond the footprint of the building, looking holistically at the project. Sino Swedish Eco City is a project in China for the city of Wuxi, a holistic sustainable project. And Hammarby Sjöstad is a project that we in Tengbom have been heavily involved with, I should say, with, and I would like to mention here also that Stellan Fritzell with Tengbom have worked throughout the entire planning process at Hammarby Sjöstad. And Nya Karolinska is a ongoing project, which I should mention is a design collaboration with White Architects, who are also here today. And it's the new hospital, and there are two certification systems being employed here. It's a green building, the European standard, and it's also a LEED project. And finally, the ÅF head office is a green building project, and also according to the Swedish classification system, miljöklassad byggnad. All of these certification systems would be interesting for the ESS. Örtofta Bioenergy Facility is a project that we're collaborating on, which is might be a competitor, in fact, to ESS. So ÅF's and Tengbom's planning methodology is to find synergies between the different sustainable urban systems. And they involve, obviously, different areas, but we would like to emphasize that it's also about, in the end, the quality of life within the facility and around the facility. So one of the proposals that we have is to establish an organization together with ESS and use our joint expertise in the international network in sustainable building and planning.
Our second proposal is using LCA, life cycle analysis, in the design, planning and building phase of ESS. The choices and measures of the developer, ESS, should focus on to create an energy efficiency, environmentally friendly new infrastructure, including buildings, are not self-evident. The main benefits of LCA is to optimize environmental performances, such as low emissions of hazardous substances and protection of health and well-being. Selection of building construction materials with the lowest energy use and environmental impact of the whole lifespan. It also supports environmental labeling, as Magnus said before, such as lead or BREEAM. Other advantages is possibility to do an environmental evaluation of the design of a building phase, an evaluation of potential for energy saving and the reduction of emission. Our team believe that implement the thinking and using of LCA in the design, planning and building of ESS have a positive impact of the whole ESS project. We therefore propose to do a pilot study what the environmental, economical, public benefits could be achieved using LCA in the established process. Finally, as ESS has a clear vision that they should build and develop an organization with several research teams that are the absolutely best in their field. To do this, the ESS Center should not only be a research facility with the highest standard and quality, it should also be a workplace that can inspire to creative thinking and living both at the work and at play. We propose to initiate a study on which aspect or circumstances that are the most important for ESS to make ESS and the whole Brunshög area the most attractive research and entrepreneur project worldwide. The study will identify what conditions that must be fulfilled, both as a workplace and living area, if the ESS will become the first choice for the next generation Nobel Prize winners. Thank you.
Welcome.